Hi there, this is Mario Singh again, and just before you go, I want to give you a gift of vision, the ability to see what others don't and profit wildly from it. It's called the Oracle. Now, here's the deal. What I'm putting right now at your fingertips is literally the holy grail of Forex trading. In fact, I personally feel that a Forex trading resource this powerful should require a weapons permit. But then again, I'm biased. Imagine being able to know what currency to buy and sell for maximum profit, to know when to buy and sell, to adopt a trading lens to see how the market moves, and to develop conditioned habits of the millionaire and billionaire traders, which allow them to make money from the Forex market so effortlessly. In short, you will become successful simply because you do not know any other way. Now, this is where everything comes together. The point where you put all the knowledge and experience you have gained so far crystallizes. And you literally develop a second sight, allowing you to see market movements before they actually happen. Imagine the power. It's like seeing the cards before the dealer throws them on the table, or before you even place your bet. Because instead of having to decipher complicated shifts of market sentiment, you see also obvious shapes and pictures, each one a neon signpost for a profit-producing trade. Does it sound too good to be true? Well, I'll leave it to you to be the judge, jury, or executioner if need be. Take Oracle for a full 60-day test drive. Try it out. And if it's not everything I said it is, I insist you pay nothing and get every single penny back with no hassles, no questions asked. Cool? So click the Add to Cart button below now. Experience the full power of the Oracle for yourself. This offer is only available on this website and not anywhere else. Do it now, and I'll see you in the members area.